How to manage notifications on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications on Snapchat easily. So all what you have to do guys is just go to Snapchat. Now let's go to the home page. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and then it will take you to this page. Go to the top corner and click on this little icon. Now after you click on this little icon, all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find the notifications option, and here is it right here. Click on notifications, and now as you can see you can turn on or turn off whatever you want here, easy and fast. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.